Well, hello my loves, hope you've all been keeping well. This week's project is another toy market find of this oversized dress. The main features that drew me to it are the thickness and elasticity to it. I saw it and immediately knew what I'd use it for, and the fact that it was an oversized piece, I knew I'd get the most use out of it. That I then transformed to this stunning set, which I totally see myself rocking pretty soon on a night out. The versatility of the top adds points to it as well, because it can be tied in different ways to achieve different looks. So if you'd like to see how all this came about, then just keep watching. To begin, I traced out a stretch pull neck top on the top section of the dress and traced down 13 inches from the shoulders up and cut it out, leaving about an inch allowance at the bottom and half an inch around the other perimeters. I retained one arm and trimmed off the upper excess. I then traced the collar and cut it out, then placed it aside. Next, I took the remaining piece and traced out one of my favorite pencil skirts. I then cut out a strip that was totally dependent on the allowance the remaining fabric gave me and cut it in half. Next, I took the remaining arm piece and cut out another strip that I trimmed and evened out. I then proceeded to stitch the top pattern from the top side of the arm. Since this fabric was thick and stretchy, I used the matching stitch, which is on F if you're using my type of machine. I hemmed the open arm sleeves with my favorite pattern stitch and sewed the sides down. I then hemmed the bottom of the top and placed it aside. I took the collar pieces and joined them on the sides to make a circular strip. I then folded it in half to have only the right sides out, even if flipped on either sides like so, and pinned the open edge to the open neck section of the top. I then proceeded to stitch it down with about 1/4 inch allowance to prevent bulging, and did overlock, and this is how it looked. Next, I took the strip we'd cut in half and joined one side. I then folded it in half on the long edge and stitched it all the way down, then inverted it. Next, I got the middle of it and matched it on the joint of the right side of the top and pinned them together. I then proceeded to stitch this in place and was done with the top here. I took the skirt pattern pieces and did my best to match the lining of the pieces which weren't in the best of conditions and stitched them down. Next, I took the other strips we'd placed aside and matched them on fold, then stitched them down. I then pinned these two at the edge of the skirt and stitched them in place. I did the same for the other piece and matched them together, then stitched them down. After doing this, I tried the skirt on and ended up removing the lining and elastic band. For some reason, they made me look like some sort of worm, so I did away with them altogether. I left a gap on the wrist, which brought the look together, and with this, I was all done. Here's the final look, which I feel is so stunning and sexy. I opted to have the section with the band at the bottom, which gave room for the top to shine. Do share your thoughts on this, and if you think and feel this is something that's up your alley. Until the next piece, bye my loves.